So on your screen, you are seeing this video is private. This is one of the YouTube private video. And when I open it, there is a mention I cannot watch this video. So if you want to watch video, private video on YouTube, then there is a multiple method on different YouTube, on different Google website, and they are claiming that you can watch private YouTube videos. But in actual, can you watch private video? So before I tell you the answer of this question, let's apply this method. So it is asking to remove watch from URL. Let's suppose this is the URL of this private video, and thus this account they are saying to remove watch from the link and then search. So let's apply this. So I will remove watch from this URL. So I will remove, and also I will remove equal to n plus slash, and then I will search again. So when I search again, they are saying same, this video is private and I cannot see this video. So the actual answer to this question is that we cannot see private video on YouTube because it is not allowed by YouTube that you can see any private video. So if you are seeing any methods on YouTube or Google, then they are fake because we cannot see private YouTube videos on YouTube. So this is the video for you.